Your golden years should be about freedom, not financial worry. Understanding retirement planning and the right know-how to invest for retirement is crucial for achieving that peace of mind. Without a solid strategy, you risk outliving your savings or facing unexpected expenses. By the end, you will have actionable steps to secure your financial freedom. Your retirement income comes from several sources, each playing a vital role in funding your senior travel adventures. Social Security, pensions, and withdrawals from your 401k or IRA all contribute to your overall financial picture. Knowing how these work together is key to a robust retirement survival plan. Social Security replaces about 37% of pre-retirement income for the average worker, so other streams are essential. These funds are your ticket to exploring the world, making sure your travel after 60 is comfortable and worry-free. But how can you ensure your nest egg actually grows, making you feel richer after retirement? Starting early and contributing consistently allows your investments to grow exponentially over time. This snowball effect means your earnings start earning their own returns, accelerating your wealth accumulation. It is a fundamental principle of financial freedom. An investment of $10,000 growing at 7% annually will be worth over $76,000 in 30 years, showcasing this incredible power. This strategy builds the robust financial foundation needed for extensive senior travel and a comfortable retirement. So, with these basics in mind, how exactly do you start to invest for retirement effectively? A smart withdrawal strategy ensures your savings last throughout your entire retirement, supporting your desired lifestyle. This involves understanding safe withdrawal rates and optimizing for tax efficiency to preserve your capital. It is about making your money work smarter for longer. The 4% rule suggests withdrawing 4% of your portfolio annually to make it last 30 years, a common guideline for retirement planning. This careful approach means your senior citizen travel plans remain secure for decades to come. But how do you make sure your travel after 60 isn't cut short by running out of funds? Before we continue, I want to share a personal recommendation for Pamoja Safaris. They specialize in bespoke senior African safaris, offering an unparalleled travel after 60 experience. Imagine luxury lodges with full accessibility, private vehicles, and all logistics handled for you. Pamoja Safaris truly understands what makes senior travel special. Now, back to securing your financial freedom, how can you protect your investments from market ups and downs? Diversifying your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate helps mitigate risk. This strategy protects your capital from market volatility, ensuring your retirement savings remain strong. It is a cornerstone of sound retirement planning. A well-diversified portfolio can reduce risk by up to 30% compared to a concentrated one, offering greater peace of mind. This stability is crucial for maintaining your senior travel budget and enjoying worry-free adventures. Given these market fluctuations, why is age 61 often considered the most important age for your entire retirement? Healthcare expenses can be a significant drain on retirement savings if not planned for properly. Understanding Medicare options and considering supplemental insurance is vital for protecting your financial well-being. This foresight ensures your retirement survival. The average 65-year-old couple retiring in 2023 needs $315,000 for healthcare expenses in retirement, highlighting the need for careful planning. Protecting your health financially means you can continue to enjoy senior travel without unexpected burdens. Beyond these costs, what other financial hurdles might impact your senior travel plans? Legacy planning goes beyond just a will. It is about ensuring your financial freedom extends to future generations. Estate planning, gifting strategies, and charitable contributions can all be part of this important process. It provides a sense of purpose and lasting impact. Only 46% of Americans have a will, leaving many estates unprepared and potentially causing stress for loved ones. Thoughtful planning ensures your financial legacy supports both your family and your vision for the future, perhaps even inspiring their own senior travel. With all this planning, how can you ensure your financial freedom benefits future generations too? You now have a clear roadmap for retirement planning. How to invest for retirement, from income streams to legacy. These senior travel tips for financial freedom will empower your adventures. Next, watch our video on navigating airport security after 60 to make your next trip even smoother. If you are finding these senior travel tips helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel right now. We share new travel after 60 guides every week to help you explore the world with confidence. Before you go, I have put together a free senior travel packing list as a downloadable PDF. The link is in the description below.